Good morning, students. Today I am sharing with you how Rajya Sabha is formed. How many members of Rajya Sabha? 250 members. Maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. And out of 12, earlier I shared with you, 12 members are nominated by the President of India. And the remaining 30 to 38 are elected from state and union territory by the elected members of Legislative Assembly. 12 members nominated are distinguished personalities who excel in various fields of art, literature, science, social service, sports, etc. Okay. In this content, they said to us that maximum strength of Rajya Sabha is 250 and 12 members are nominated by the President of India and remaining 230s are elected from the state and UT by the elected member of a state legislative assembly. Okay, and what is the qualification of? Same qualification which you have read of Lok Sabha. Ki to become a member of Rajya Sabha, person must be a citizen of India, not less than 30 years. Ki when we are going to become a member of Rajya Sabha, our age should be 30 years and his or her name must be in the voter list. Same qualification which we read in Lok Sabha formed. Okay, Lok Sabha, during Lok Sabha election, these type of these same qualification we should have. Okay, and there is one. Do you know कि people do not participate directly in the election of Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha, the members are elected indirectly by the state legislature, elected MLAs only. Okay, indirectly, कि state will send one person in the state assembly and then they send to Rajya Sabha. And Delhi is not a state, yet its assembly elect 3 members of Rajya Sabha. And in your state, 3 members of Rajya Sabha will not sent by your state government. Okay, election ki unlike Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and which cannot be dissolved. After 2 years, 1/3 of its members retire. Okay, we are not going to conduct the election like Lok Sabha to Rajya Sabha. Okay, 1/3 of its members retire and election were held to fill these seats. After 2 years, okay, 1/3 member of its, and you know about that the tenure of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. And after 2 years, 1/3 of its members retired and election held to fill these seats. Okay, and presiding officer, who is the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha? Ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha, vice president always. Lok Sabha speaker, he also preside over the meeting of Rajya Sabha. In Lok Sabha, the speaker is there, and in Rajya Sabha your vice president is there. Okay, and conduct its proceeding same functioning held by your speaker of Lok Sabha, same functioning held by your vice president. Is not a member of a house and he or she cannot vote on any issue. Ki they are not permanent member of any house, not a member of a house. वो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इज नॉट ए मेंबर ऑफ राज्यसभा. इनकी राज्यसभा 2 हाउसेज आर देयर राज्यसभा, बट he or she cannot vote on any issue. कब देंगे वोट? कि लोकसभा स्पीकर कैन राज्यसभा इलेक्ट इट्स डिप्टी व्हेन देयर विल बी अ टाई. ऑन दैट टाइम दे विल गिव देयर वोट. And Rajya Sabha elect its deputy chairman also from amongst members who perform the duty of the chairman in his her absence. Okay, up to here you read. Okay, thank you, and you also make a notes from this. Thank you, beta.